Introducing a smarter way of cleaning Black&Decker 2-in-1 cordless vacuum with SmartTech sensors. Floor sensor technology automatically adjusts suction from hard floors to deep carpets. The battery sensor shows you how much battery charge remains. And intelligent filter sensor alerts you when it's time to clean the filter. And with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can clean any surface in your home without the hassle of a cord. Black&Decker cordless vacuums with SmartTech sensors. Because life is for living, not cleaning.